Get a whole borough wiped out. Y'all know what's up, man. Y'all know what's up when we popping out, nigga. You feel me? Ratchet, Rell, down the fucking guard, GTB, TG double M shit, bag shit, Crown Family shit. Listen, this 200,000 in cash, nigga. I'm in the middle of the fucking hood, nigga. You shitting me? You get me mad? I'ma just drop a bag. You get me mad? I'ma just drop a bag. You get me mad? I'ma just drop a bag. Get me mad? I'ma drop a bag. Get me mad? I'ma drop a bag. You get me mad? I'ma drop a bag. You get me mad? I'ma drop a bag. You get me mad? I'ma drop another bag. I'ma just send your picture to the boogeyman. Ain't coming, nigga. You shitting me? It's Ratchet fucking Rell, man, down the fucking guard, man. Y'all niggas already know what the fuck it is, man. We ain't doing no social media, nigga. We pulling up, nigga. Simple as that, nigga. If it's a fucking problem, we pulling up and we pressing the issue, nigga. What's up, man? We ain't got time for that social media shit, nigga. We run it down and we booming shit, nigga. Let's get it. Shoot some, niggas better shoot some. Nigga cut you in your face, you pussy, you ain't do nothing. Niggas shot your man, I ain't come back and shoot nothing. Niggas talking crazy on the bull like they gon' do something. 7 back home, if I call him, he gon' shoot something. If it's beef, let it be known so we can boom something. Spaz out, boy don't make me spaz out. Caught a op like I swear to God, he was assed out. All my niggas with the shits, and you know we grippin'. Bitch, I call drama up and tell that nigga bring a 50 clip. Ass to he loco, that nigga love hitting shit. Biggie in the trap, in the kitchen, water whipping shit. Yeah, I'm on the highway, my G-Rock got a brick in it. Hit my line if you niggas need that work, If it's beef, my shooters, put you on a shirt, These niggas pussy, these niggas don't pit and work, Hey, yo, Meech.
What's up?
Pimp just hit my line, said the ops is over there at the corner store, nigga.
Oh, yeah?
You already know what the fuck is up.
I definitely know, nigga.
Drip up, nigga.
Just one in the head already.
There they go right there.
Word up.
Yo, you go that way, I'ma go this way, you heard?
Copy, Scrap.
Hey, yo, homie, what's up?
I heard you talking,
Boy,
nigga.
don't run, come here. Grab your gun and your mask, put in work, When it's beef, put a op on a shirt, Headshots, put his ass in the dirt, Ain't no talking, boys, time to put in work, 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 Put in
Don pulled up in the ghost like yeah. And they say I did the shooting, goddamn. Geeky Meechy with the hoodie, Ric Flair. I'm in the head like hair. Red bone, red bottoms, red hair. She my code for the winter, Montclair. Gucci boots when I'm jumping out your bed. Gucci. Sucked in boys, bitch, we all here. Fuck the other side, that's just how I feel. On the internet, thug and get your kill. Lot of niggas went live and got killed. Soft thin boys, bitch, we all here. Know that. Touch gang, bitch, I'm the head here. Touch gang. Ba, that's a dead bear. Big B's, nigga, root a red deer. Ba, that's a dead bear. Know that. Touch gang. Ba, that's a dead bear. Dead bear. That's a dead bear. That's a dead bear. That's a dead bear.
That niggas ready to know what the fuck is up, man. We run it down on niggas. Mass off. We catch ya out, we gon' leave her out, nigga. Fuck is up, nigga. We run this shit, nigga. GTB, nigga. Touch gang. Fuck you niggas wanna do. Touch gang. We pullin' up. Oh yeah. That niggas done fucked up. That's a dead bear. Catch one of you niggas lacking at the fucking corner store. That's a dead bear. We killing no bears, we ain't even right.